In this video, I'm going to show you how to record in StreamYard step by step. I'm going to show you how to use the steps. Okay, so we're going to click on that button. You actually can see me in the camera. I click on share. And you can see at the time when I'm just recording about that. So it's just going to pop up right here. And you may see something like this. So on the left, you may... Where's my camera? Okay. Why it just have shorts? Hold on a sec. Okay, on the left, you can, I'm going to click on, it says record. So you can any test you want. I'm going to click on create. I'm going to add a test destination. Okay, you actually can see a little short. I'm going to click on test. Okay, so you actually may see that I will record in StreamYard step by step. I'm going to click on allowed. And if you don't like it, let me just bring my thing, the stupid thing. I don't know what the hell is wrong with that. Okay. You have to enter a name. I'm going to enter my name. You can see, I can change how you want. But guess what? I paid yesterday, no watermark. Amazing. I don't like watermark. I don't like it. It's no one. Okay. So here, you have the option. You can actually chat. So you can show what you talk about StreamYard. Let me just bring this. Holy God. Stop. It's very annoying. No, the thing I just... Hold on a sec, guys, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna click on show myself. You can see the watermark, the basement. What I could do is remove that, and it just removed. I could just upload how I want. Let's upload my YouTube channel is not good live stream. I don't know why is my YouTube channel is disenabled. It's not good for the stream. Okay, you actually can see my watermark in there, or it says logo. Add a logo here, and I love that. You could add. You only get this when you pay a StreamYard for like $1. So if you create a new account, you get $1. Okay, but you only get this. But if you don't pay, you're gonna get something like this. But I don't mean to do that. I'm just showing you, but it's just like that. So you know, pay is gonna be just like this. You see, like this. You only have paper limit. I could choose what how many pictures I want. Okay, so now you can see my pictures. It's very. I look more different now. Look at that. Look at my neck. It's short. Guys, let me tell you something. Today is cold. It's cold weather, but this is how you do this. I'm sorry. I don't want to drop. Okay, sorry about that. I don't mean to show the video. It's not. I actually don't want to. Okay, you could choose many colors. Let's say I post this green, red, or something like that. I'll show you step by step. You can write your notes. Let's say I write how or get ready for, and then it's gonna show up right here. So you can see anytime you get started, it's just gonna show up that right here. You could add many people. It looks a little different than last time. I think it's like 5 months ago. The video looks a little different because I have a new things in there. You can add a blog. So you can add a blog. So you can enter how you want. Use a text form. You can enter how you want inside StreamYard. You also can do is also add. It says multi, so I add it. So you can see the squares. Look like you're recording on a phone. So it look like a phone. So like a short. It's look like a phone. Remember recording on your phone. It's look like this, but that's how a StreamYard look like. You can also add a little circles like you're recording the video. You could do that, but many people don't like because I want to show a whole face. And as I click on that, I click along and it show. I don't want this one. And also you can add many pictures. You can add a new, it's called files. You can add however name. Let's say I'm giving a name a test. Just a test. I will delete later just to show you. And you can choose how you want it. Don't worry about that. That is a long time ago. I don't actually post that. Anymore. This channel. It's no good copy somebody else's video, but don't worry about that. Just because maybe the wrong thing or something. And they have all the option. Click on it says record. Click on that, and this is how record. I'm sorry, it takes like 4 minutes, and this is how you record. Or if you want to start recording, you can click on pause. You can also you can pause the record. You can click pause, Is you talk to your parents, you could do that, or you could repause it when you're done talking to your parents. I'm just telling you when you actually doing it to yourself, and then you can click on it says end stream. No end stream. Sorry, end record, and this is how to record step by step. If you this helpful, please subscribe to. If you have that helpful, if you have this helpful, please subscribe to Rob05. Please make sure to subscribe to Rob05. If you have that helpful, make sure to subscribe to Rob05, and I'll see you next time. Good luck. I'll see you next time. Good luck.